What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So I got something really cool to show you today. We're gonna do an open box. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to install my truck, and we'll go on a little test drive on it. So what I got is the Pedal Commander. This is the world's most popular booster for your vehicle. So what I'm gonna do is open this up, show you how simple this install is, and we'll get started on my truck. Let me show you a couple things first. I gotta call them out because they didn't only just send decals, they send great quality decals with their stuff. Hopefully the video will come out where you can see what I'm talking about. Top quality. This one here is going to go on my truck. I really like this one too. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that in my toolbox or on the truck. And then even this one as well. So just really awesome stuff. Here's the star of the show though. And you know, first off, just great quality packaging right off the bat. You try to lift it up without breaking it. All right, right off the bat, here you go. Has a QR code. Welcome to Full Throttle Nation. And we'll lift this out of here. Lift right out here. And then this is the decal we'll use to mount this if we want. All right. And then even provide a little cleaning wipe and a zip tie to help hide the wires. So basically, let me get this opened up. When you look at this, I want you to think of something. So don't overthink it. This is your controller, but this basically is just a splitter, okay? Right above your gas throttle, you're gonna find something that looks like this, okay, that we're gonna plug in here. And then this will plug in with where you unplug the thing for the throttle. That's all it is. It just basically jumps from one thing to the next, splits right in the middle. Super easy install. But let me show you this product here. Just really good quality. It has an app as well. I need this bracket. I didn't think you have to have this bracket left on there. You can take it off. Like so. And what I'll probably do is I'll put the adhesive on here and then put that where I want it and then on it later. Let's go ahead and show you how easy this install is. I kind of pretty much already showed you. That's how simple it is. We're gonna get in my truck here. Open up the door, and I'm gonna find a better light where I can show you kind of up closely, is my hope. All right, so I found the light, but I want to show you this first. I clicked that QR code that I showed you, and basically it pulls up. You select your country, it shows you the app here. You hit that button right there, it's gonna take you right to the app to control this bad boy, which I'll do that now off camera. Let me see if I can't get you underneath here to get you a good angle. And I hate to show you all that dirt in my floor mat, but you know what? It happens. Yeah, so there it is. While that does its thing, I want to show you something real quick. So right up in here, towards the top of that plastic, right here, okay? You see this little red piece? You lift that up, and you pull it straight out. Now, again, you got this, which is what I call the Y connector off your Pedal Commander. So we want to find one that'll fit in that cord we just pulled out, and we're gonna plug the other one back in. So I'm gonna try to slide back up here again. So that one's hanging down. This piece is gonna go in it, okay? Then this other part is gonna go right where that came out at. All right, so we're gonna take this, lock that back down, and we're gonna take this part here, and then it'll snap, but then lock it down. All right, these here will just, you can pull this out anyway. Trim tool usually is best. That's what I'm gonna do, is get it loose. Run this up too. Here it is. All right, so what we're gonna do is pull this back around. Push that back. All right, so what I'm gonna do is pull that all the way down, and I just ran it up through this way here. All right, we're gonna take this and use that Velcro. We're gonna mount that there. So we'll tuck this back where we don't want it. It's gonna get mounted there. All right, so I went clean that off with the cleaner they provided, and I'm gonna do is go punch this out. Take this. Grab the back of it. Use that side. Alright. Now this is important because it's not moving after this. You put it where you want it. I'm going right there. And that's the only bit of the wire you see. Let's get it started and check it out. Alright, so you see we got power. I'm going to try to connect the app real quick. We'll see how that goes. Let's go through all the process together. Let's see. Alright, so right off the bat, it actually even gives you an installation guide here. Obviously it's installed. Now it's looking for the other device. Alright, here it is. And then you gotta type your serial number in, which is on the back of the device. Alright, so your tip is, one is have your serial number ready before you mount it. But this is it. So you can see I named my device F150. Do all kinds of stuff. Right now it's on City 1. I'm gonna change it. Change it to Echo. Now it's gonna help me save fuel. Sport, different levels of sport too. Sport Plus. Now you're getting into it. Alright, and so slide over. You can even change the brightness controls of it. You can change up the level of brightness. Get down to 24% now. So that's pretty cool. So you can use this too to power on and off. You can rename it here. There's a theme here. Tells you level up here on top. And there's software updates. No update available right now. Anti-theft. So this thing will keep cars, somebody stole your car. Alright, let's go out and have some fun with it. Alright, it's my first try with the pedal commander. This truck just zooms, I tell you. So I actually had to turn it down a notch. So when I get stopped again, I'm going to let you kind of feel it, hopefully feel it a little bit. And anyway, we'll get started there. See what I mean? Look with the dust. And I wasn't even getting down on the pedal much. Alright gang, so I just got back on a ride using that pedal commander. That thing's awesome. So first off, as I'm driving down the road, I'm going, what, 50 mile an hour? And I decided to turn it off. When you know my pedal, I had to push down further to keep the same speed. And then also, it just makes the ride so much funner. Like I feel like I'm just zipping from point A to point B. This thing is underrated. I'm going to drop a link down below. Up here is the discount code they sent me, F150 Boss 10. And anyway, gang, this is a really cool device. Check it out. So hopefully this was helpful to you. If so, please do me a favor, hit the like button, share it out, do whatever you got to do. This channel is struggling for me, and it's been really bothering me. And I got hacked a few weeks ago, which didn't help. But anyway, do appreciate you watching. And hopefully this was helpful to you. If so, hit the like button. And then obviously I'll put the link and the code in the description of the video. Hopefully save you a couple bucks. But again, one of the best apps I've seen out there. It's very responsive. If you want to find a way to get you boosted in your vehicle really quick, Pedal Commander is a way to go. So anyway, gang, I want to say thanks again for watching. I want you all to have an awesome day, and hopefully you're crushing life. Take care.